cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today I am vlogging slash DIY. So today I'm going to show you guys what I do in day in my life. So first up, I usually do my breakfast. I know last vlog you see me do like working out, and I was eating right. But today we're eating some good but healthy slash. So right now we're gonna be cooking sausages, as you can see, and we're gonna be making some.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel.
So yeah, that's my breakfast for today, and I also did. Now we're gonna get into our DIY, which is the second half of the ADIDAS Ivy Park outfit collection, where I make the shorts. And I'm telling you right now, guys, these shorts are bomb. So definitely, if you have your time and free hands, go check this out. So I'm gonna pass this over to Kpcutie so she can go ahead and explain to you about the DIY. Now it's time to make the shorts. I am so excited because if you guys have not checked my last video where I made bandana shorts, go ahead, check that out. I'll leave that in the description box below, or in this right hand corner where you'll see it pop up somewhere right here. And you guys go follow that tutorial on how to make shorts. But here's a quick one for you guys to make these ones. All you're gonna do is just take an old pair of pants or any kind of pants that fits you, and you're gonna go ahead and lay them on there. Lay it onto your fabric. You're gonna cut them out. You're gonna cut the back part pieces. Make sure you folded your fabric in half, so you have two pieces on both sides. And once you do that, you're gonna cut them out. You're gonna cut the front, back, and parts out. I also cut out the waistbands too, which, as you can see, I'm marking them so I know which one is for sure is which. I make sure I mark F for front, B for back, and here is the waistband, which I'm gonna mark a W on it. And I make sure this waistband was extra longer than my normal one, because you gotta make sure you give you some seam allowance. And once you do that, you're gonna head and pin the sides of your shorts and the crotch part, not the crotch part, but the underneath it. And once you finish pinning that, you're going to take that to the sewing machine and go ahead and sew.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a...
Now you're going to head and pin the crotch pieces together, so to make sure the shorts are actually pinned together and not coming apart. And once you do that, we're going to take the sewing machine and sew back again. So I'm not going to show you guys that part of me sewing, so I'm just going to give you guys a little something. So here's a little preview of not being sewn, and here's the aftermath where it has been sewn. And then once you finish with that, you're going to go ahead and pin your waistband together. You're going to pin your waistband, the two ends of it together, and then you're going to sew the ends, at least one side of the ends together, and then you're going to take it to the sewing machine. You're going to sew that up. And once you finish with that sewing, you're going to go ahead and pin together your waistband to your shorts. And once you do that, you're going to go ahead and take the sewing machine and sew that up. And yeah. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch me sew a bit, and then we can get started with the grand reveal.
Before you try being on your own side for once.
Well, that's it for the video, kids. I'm not going to show you the whole reveal of the outfit yet, so to go ahead and check out my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, but we're definitely go check out my Instagram and TikTok where I have the full outfit reveal over there, so definitely go check it out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube video, my page, my all my good stuff. I'll link that down in the description box below, where I have all my links to all my social media pages, platforms down there. And also make sure you guys go ahead and follow me. Go ahead and follow, check out my other video where I showed you how to do the DIY shorts, which is step by step. So go ahead and check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next one. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.